In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to paint BDU Camouflage. To save time in the video, I've already done the prep work and applied a base coat. Prep work consists of full disassembly, degreasing, and abrasive blasting. The base coat for this project is black. The stencils we're using in this video are available on our website freedomstencils.com or by clicking the link in the description below. With our base coat cure, we'll start applying stencils. These will be the finger type shapes from sheets 1 and 2 of the stencil pack. Our second color will be Woodland Tan. Our next set of stencils will be the hybrid type shapes from sheets 3 and 4 of the stencil pack. These shapes may be placed completely at random and overlap the existing stencils. Our third color is Woodland Brown. Our last set of stencils will be the large blobs from sheets 5 and 6 of the stencil pack. Our fourth color will be Woodland Green. Once cured, we'll remove our stencils. For a slight distressed look, we dust it with black and rub it down with fine steel wool. Once cured, you're ready to reassemble. And that concludes BDU Camouflage. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comments below. You can also support this channel by visiting freedomstencils.com.